we're gonna be trying out a new hairstyles which is being inspired by Jennie. So let's get right into it. Chalo, let's get to the first hairstyle. So that is pigtails, and you can see it right here. I'll be putting the picture. So for that you will be needing the bobby pins and 2 ties. So now let's get started. So right now let's just partition our hair. And here we go. So right after the partition, what you want to do is take all your hairs and just leave some easy. Just pull it as high as possible, right? So now take your hair ties and just put it over here. Right? So yeah. So this seems good. So here we have one, and now straight away just do the second one as well. And here, pull up your hair. Right? So this is not the end. Now just pull up a strand from your hairs. We have the strand, and now just literally wrap it around. And now take a bobby pin and just put it on. Now take a little strand for the extra texture, and now braid it. So as you know, voila, here we are. So it's done. So this is it. Let's move on to the second hairstyle real quick. We'll start with our second hairstyle. So I'll just put the picture here, the inspo picture. So let's get right into it. So now what you're going to do is, just like before, just make a partition and also take out a few strands of hair outside, right? And now we're going to braid it. We're going to braid it all the way around and secure it with the pins and the hair ties. So yeah, let me see. It's looking good. So now braid it. So just split it into 3 strands of hair, right? And just put one over the other, right? So one over the other, as you can see. So here, take all the way down and secure it with the hair tie. Now just secure it with the hair tie. And similarly, repeat the same to this side as well. Just grab your hairs, just take your little strand of hairs, and yeah. So now that we have 2 braids done, now what we have to do is just take one of your braids and just right away just put it here and secure it with the bobby pins. So like this, and it will take a lot of bobby pins to secure it from the end, but my hairs are a little longer to work with, but it's gonna be a little cute. So secure it. So this is not it. So you can see it looks so cute and pretty. patches. Now I thrifted these and I found it really cute, so let me just put it around and so like this. Hairstyle which is being inspired by the ribbons, and I'll just clip the picture here. You can look it, and for that you may need ribbons. So let's get going. So basically you have partitioned your hair all the way around and just pull out a few strands of hair just a bit. And now grab your hairs. Now what you're gonna do is partition it into 3 sections. Now for that you need the ribbon, right? Let me just adjust it accordingly, and for that all you're gonna do is just put it between your hairs just like the braid. Now start braiding. Grab these ends, just secure it. Just make a knot, and now we're gonna tie it as a bow. Now grab it 2 hands. Just how you tie your shoelaces. First side, and now similarly let's do it on the other side as well. And ta-da! And here we go. So it's all done. But this is at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.